Hello to you, my beautiful YouTube family. What a one! Thank you so much for joining Claudeaz Corner. So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you my recipe how I cook this fish. This meal is so delicious. It will have you wanting for more. It's a taste of Jamaica with a touch of Chinese flavor, which we will get from the Hoisin sauce. What I love about this sauce is that it is sweet and also salty. I also added some Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper to spice things up a bit. And to complement this dish, I added some coconut Callaloo rice with some tossed vegetables and some fried plantains. You need to taste this meal. You need to try this meal. This meal is delicious. Great combination. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Remember to hit that notification bell. You'll be updated when new videos are released. Now grab your ingredients and let's get cooking. So the fish was just seasoned, and to this I added some fish seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, some garlic powder, black pepper, some meat seasoning, some paprika. Yeah, that's basically what I added to this. I didn't add any salt because the seasoning, especially the Maggi seasoning, already have a lot of salt in it already. So let's add the first piece of fish. And the oil I'm using today is virgin coconut oil, real Jamaican coconut oil. And in this pot, I'm making some coconut Callaloo rice, and the Callaloo is from my backyard garden. So what I did was to only use the leaves of the Callaloo and not the stem parts. I'm coming. So this is the Hoisin sauce. Hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. And it says Hoisin Sauce, SALSA Hoisin. And this is what it looks like. It's a bit thick, but when I make the sauce, I'm not going to let it be so thick because I'm going to add water to it, because as I said, it is salty and sweet at the same time. And I'm also going to add soy sauce to that, and you know that soy sauce is a bit salty. So once more, thank you all so much for watching, and to all our new viewers, welcome to Claudeaz Corner, welcome to my channel. If you enjoyed my videos, please don't forget to like, to share and subscribe. Comment and click on the notification bell so that you can be updated when new videos are released. And to my current subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. With your help, we will make Claudeaz Corner a success. So thank you once again for joining. I hope you go get those ingredients and let's get cooking.